What's up, guys? Aaron with Twins Garage. I got a little bit of work done today. I got the new seatbelt put in and the driver's side seat put in and the gauge cluster and everything. So, and I've got the ECU and the ECU kick plate put in. So basically the interior is finished, other than I'm going to eventually be getting the gauge pod, and so I can put the gauges in, and STI door panels and STI steering wheel. But that would probably be a couple months from now, or if not longer. I want to focus more on getting the car finished, front end swapped, engine swapped, before I focus on any more of the STI parts. I have been doing quite a bit today though. I put some new handles here on the motorcycle, and I put an R6 throttle tube on here, so it's a little bit shorter of a throw, so it's actually got faster acceleration, and then the clutch pedal or handle, I'm sorry, got swapped out too. It was pretty easy, so for people who are interested in doing this swap, I'm just gonna do a little quick walkthrough on how to do it. Okay, so starting over here, let me put this. Removing this, there's two screws this side and over here on the bottom of here. I don't know if you can see that here, and on the other side, the only two screws that are really on there, so pretty simple. And then this top will kind of come off, and then over on the side here, pull this little or boot back, and there's a nut. You want to loosen that nut up all the way closer to this side. And then there's like a little metal bar thing that spins as well. You want to, after you loosen the nut, you want to bring that up all the way as well. And the two, I'll show you as an example. You're gonna have two clutch lines, or sorry, throttle lines in here. One on this side, one on this side. That goes down, and this one will pop off because it'll be loose because you loosened it. And once this side's off, you just kind of move this way, and that one will pop off. And then once that's done, this whole tube will just slide right out. And then the new one slides in, and it's a little tricky, but you do put it on the same way. Put that one on and turn it, get that one on. And don't forget to tighten it up over here, and then give it a few turns, make sure it comes back to where it's supposed to be. And as for the brake handle, that was super easy. There's a nut on the bottom of this bolt here. Take that off first, and then you're gonna have to screw this off as well, because there's separate threads inside of here. And then it just pulls out, and the new one just sticks right in there. Bam, throw that in, throw the nut on. The other side is pretty simple. There's gonna be a nut on the bottom of here, that's it. Then that comes up, and then the line will come out. And then you kind of bring the line out this through here. You're gonna, once this is loose, you can pull this back, and then the line will come out. It's down in here and right out there, and let's put it back together. Same thing. On the old one, there's like a little, I don't know what it's called, like tube thingy that goes through here. That I had to push out with a screwdriver and stick it in the new one, because the new one had a hole this big. I put it on, it was really loose and wobbly. I'm like, oh, that's weird, so I took it off. I didn't even look, and I noticed how there was a little thing inside of the stock one, so I popped it out and stuck it in that one. It was a little harder to get put back on, but once it got on, it feels really nice. These are adjustable, so you can out farther, or bring them closer. There are 6 different levels on both. So really happy with that. I only got to take it around the block once with that, because I don't have a new grip for it yet. That hasn't come in yet. Once I get that, I'll show you how to put it on. It's quite simple. But yeah, so I don't really show the R3 a whole lot, being winter and whatnot, but I have done a few things. I put this blacked out shield on, and then I have new front lights, but I haven't put them on yet. I did the rear delete. I had the big thing that hung down to like here. Deleted that, put these aftermarket lights on. And other than that, I haven't really, I added those little thingies. I never even got the stand for it. And then today I also took the stock exhaust off, the stock muffler. That's sitting here. I'm ordering a new full exhaust from the headers back. I just wanted to see what it would sound like with that off, so I took it on the block. It's quite a bit louder, but in my opinion, it sounds kind of like shit. So I'll start it up real quick for you. Let me just get the tripod set up. See what I mean? I honestly think it sounds bad. The stock one was much quieter, but it didn't sound terrible. So I am excited to get this new exhaust. It's from headers all the way back, getting replaced. So I'm gonna get that within the next couple of weeks, and then probably by the end of summer, I guess after I finish the Subaru, I'm gonna get the Power Commander so I can tune the bike to run better with that exhaust. So I'll definitely do a full tutorial on how to install the Power Commander. There's a few online that I've watched, but they were extremely long, like hour long. I just want to make like a quick 20-minute, boom, this is how you do it, done type of video. So definitely am gonna make that in the future. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I mainly, focused on the bike today. I didn't do a whole lot, so the video's not gonna be super long, but I am doing some future upgrades to it. Soon I'm gonna be deleting the side blinkers here and doing, swapping out the tail light that's gonna have built-in blinkers. I'm getting flush mount, so I have flush mount turn signals up here. Those are going in hopefully soon. And then I'm doing new grips. And then I'm putting lights on mirrors on the handles and deleting these ones. And that's probably gonna be it. I might swap out this. Next year after I do the Power Commander, I am doing a quick shift. So I can shift up without even touching the clutch. So that's gonna be probably next year. So definitely look forward to that video. Other than that, I installed the USB cord up front to charge my phone. Other than that, I haven't done a whole lot. And I did, one more thing. I made these blinkers blink much faster than they do stock, just because I feel like it makes it a bit more noticeable, and I want to be noticeable when I'm out riding. I've been pulled out in front of a few times, and this is my first bike. It's fast enough for what I need. I can get up to 110, but I don't really go that fast often. I don't care to go super fast, but anyways, I hope you like this short little video. I bought my R3. I'm going to get a camera. I got the GoPro mount for the front of my helmet. Now I just need to get a GoPro so I can connect it to my Senna. I'm gonna start doing, I'm not gonna do a whole bunch of moto vlogs, but I'm going to do at least one and just talk about the R3 and what I like about it, what I don't like about it, and if I regret getting it, and versus getting an R6 or a bigger bike. So hopefully gonna be able to get that here in the next month or so once it starts warming up. So anyways, please comment, like, subscribe, and check out my previous video. I put a lot of work into that one. That's the one I installed the rest of the interior on the Subaru. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.